Okay, so this is the video for the interrupt enabled pin PD2. So we just have seen the code work, and now I'm going to get it to work on here. So I'm going to go ahead and set the debug wire on directly. So we'll go here. Let's make sure to turn these breakpoints off. If you have to leave these on, it won't work. It'll make a mistake. So as you saw before, here's the delay code. Simple subroutine that's relative to 1600 megahertz to make 1 millisecond, and it just calls iteratively to find the amount that I want of 1250 milliseconds. Anyway, okay, let's go ahead and load this on the board like so. Okay. Good. Okay, it's on. These LEDs are low, so now we have to do kind of a trick here because the push button doesn't sit in the desired location. So I'm gonna. Okay, all right. So I've got it tied to ground. I'm gonna go ahead and just reach over there and touch PD2. Oh, look at that, and it turns on. Just like that. Looks good. Simple operation. What's funny about this too is I think I touch a pin above it, it sets off my speaker. It's logical. It's reverse logic too. So anyway, there we go. Okay, this is the video for the C code being implemented for the interrupt on the LED on the board. So, right, so we've got our declares. We started at 16 megahertz clock. We set these register B as an output. We logical set the pins high because it's a reverse logic low, meaning LEDs will be turned off. That's done. And then we'll go ahead and put a pull-up resistor for our specific port, so just for what we needed. And then we'll also, from here, we then set up the settings for the interrupt. We do a falling edge trigger here in the configuration register, and then enable the interrupt here using this mask register that's here. And then we do a global setup, so right there. Then delays does the same function as last time. You know, it turns one on using reverse logic high, you know, and then delays for 1.25 seconds, and then turns it back on and waits for another interrupt. Okay, so again, come on over here. We're gonna tie this one cord to ground, and that's what will help us set it low. Let's see if we can. Let's see if I can see it. Oh, there we go. Sorry. Just like that. Oh, and our speaker's on there too, for fun. There we go. Looks good.
Hey.
I'm all ears.
Codsworth,
Can I help you, sir?
how do you feel about our relationship?
A difficult inquiry, sir. I wonder the same thing myself. Things have certainly changed, and not for the better.